Hi, Dick Rochfort here. This is the RNAV 33, Mike Tango November, Baltimore, Martin State. We're just inside the final approach fix with gear extended. We crossed the fix at 130 knots with the power set at 500 pounds in clean level flight. Once the glide path engaged, we extended the gear, 1 notch of flaps, and brought the power to 300 pounds. To become a Category Bravo aircraft. It's good weather today, so we're just practicing. And then I'm sure you know, if you've seen my videos, there are 3 questions. Which way? How low? What's next? Straight ahead, down to DA. Next is DA. We either see the runway or we don't. If we see the runway, we double tap the red autopilot disconnect. Decide on whether we want more flaps or not. And considering that there's not a lot of wind today, I would always recommend full flaps for the landing at the slowest speed consistent with safety. And then once on the ground, get to taxi speed as quickly as practicable and clear the RSA for the next airplane. So no fair save in the brakes, but it's not a short field landing either. It's all good muscle memory. Runway's in sight. We have 3 green. Runway appears clear. We have a clearance. We turn on the landing light when the clearance is received. So, at your leisure, autopilot's off. And speed is good. I would just keep what you got for a minute. So now we're going to slow down to a point where you have to push the power up. Sorry about that. We put in the flaps a little soon. So hold 100 knots out here, please. Yeah. So we're going to want 90 over the numbers. And 100 knots or better out here will allow us to maneuvers, make small maneuvers, put the nose back down again, and you'll not have to put in so much power. So the path marker goes on the threshold. Yep. And now don't hold airspeed with pitch, hold airspeed with power. Pitch so the path marker is on the threshold. And now realign yourself with the center line. So come on over to the right, you're left of center. Yep, so a little gentle turn with rudder and aileron. And then when you get to the center line, don't drag the left wing down and you won't go back there. Just keep the crab. See what I mean? Keep the wings level and hold the crab. That's what I'm talking about. Yep, keep going for the runway. Yep, keep the wings level. Don't let it rock back and forth. Left thumb on the trim, looking way downfield. Nice. Little right rudder, just a little. That's it. A little more right rudder. A little more. Yep. Fade up, back pressure and brakes. We could do a fast taxi because we're going to turn off downfield. You see here on the... So we'll go off at Charlie down there. Nicely done. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.